Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to take apart your Xbox 360. So first what you're going to do is remove your faceplate and remove your hard drive. Okay, well what you're going to need for this, you're going to need a T10 Torx screw. You have to have that. Something small, something so you can push the pins apart or whatever. Okay, so you're going to first move your faceplate and your hard drive. I've done that already. Okay, and then what you're going to want, right here where the hard drive is sitting, if you put your finger right here and peel it, it'll start to lift up a little bit. And what you're going to do is push the pins on the inside right here. See how it's white, like this white part right here? We'll put something small. This is just a small Allen wrench. Push it in there and push it while pulling up, and it'll unlock it, and then do it at the end as well. So you're going to want to do it on both sides. And actually, for right here, up here, you're going to want to remove one of the pads for the feet or whatever. You're going to remove one of them so there'll be a hole underneath it. Like if you set the Xbox straight up in the air, and you're looking at the front like this, go to the left side where it says Xbox 360. The top left corner is one that has the pin missing, with the hole that you need. Alright, so then just pull it off. Just set that down. You'll get something like this. And then just do the same for the other side. The other side actually comes out easier. So remove both grills on both sides, and you'll have this, and you'll have this on that side. And then what you're going to do is in the front, you'll have these right here. You're going to want to lift those. So you're going to want to lift them. There we go. So, just lift those up and out once you get them. So you should have it so where it comes apart. Don't bring it apart all the way yet. And then now, flip it over to the back, and right, you'll see little kind of indents. See how there's like little black holes right here, here, and here. There'll be a couple down here. you're going to need to put the flathead screwdriver. I don't know where I put mine. Oh, I found it. So you're going to want to put the flathead screwdriver in there. Push them, and you'll hear it click, so you'll know. But what you want to do is kind of put your hand in here and kind of push it apart. Kind of like this. Just push it apart. And continue pushing these.